Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on beta. In my last video, I showed you how the price line of beta broke out the resistance of the down channel, and we were expecting a big move from there. But after a drop of Bitcoin, the price line also followed, the beta also followed. Bitcoin's move as well, and it moved back inside that channel, but it is still very stable. You can see that it is moving at the resistance, very close to this resistance once again. And now we can expect another attempt for the next breakout. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart. And here we can see this is one of the longest channel in the history of beta. The price line entered the channel here on 8th of October. And here we had a breakout. We had the confirmation of the breakout by retesting the previous resistance as a support and moving up. But here, if you remember, if you have watched my previous video, which I shared with you almost a week ago, this one, I told you that we also have another additional resistance after this breakout, and we need to break it out as well. And that resistance was this downtrend line resistance, because we had 3 rejections here, 1 rejection here, and almost 1, 2, 3, and 4 more rejections here as well. But the price line could not break it out and move down back inside this channel again. Now, if we take a look at the RSI oscillator here, we can see that the price line is forming lower low, lower low, and lower low, and this is another lower than previous low. And RSI has formed higher low than previous low. You can see here, price line has formed higher low than previous low, and that is the signal of a bullish divergence on this daily time frame chart, because the RSI is not following the price line here. Price line has formed another lower than previous low, and RSI is setting another higher low than previous low. Therefore, now there is a very high possibility for the breakout from this channel, and this time if the price line breaks out this channel, it can also break out this resistance, this additional resistance that we have found above this resistance of the channel. Now, if we switch on this 4-hourly time frame, here price line has formed this descending triangle, and here we have the resistance with so many touch points, and we have the support with the stable touch points as well. Right now the price line is at the resistance. We had a very long spike, and the price line is rejected, and now it is still moving at the resistance. So it is possible that, because on the daily time frame, I would like to again tell you that we have a very nice bullish divergence. Therefore, it is possible that within next few hours we will break out this triangle. Now, for example, if the price line breaks out this triangle, this descending triangle on the 4-hourly time frame, then our next expected target will be approximately here at 56 cents. Then it can also reach very soon to this next additional resistance above this resistance of the channel that we have approximately at 58 to 59 cents. And there will be a very high possibility that the price line can break out this another resistance after breaking out the channel resistance as well. So next few hours are again really very important for beta, because we are at the resistance, and even though this attempt is failed, but it is possible that it will make another attempt without touching the support of this descending triangle. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.